and it's 10:38 a.m. It's July and this is what the weather looks like. There's no summer in London. Like there was sun for like a week or so. I went to a trip to Barcelona for around 4 days and that was like the best time because I got so much sun. Otherwise there's no sun. Catching up on interviews with the people I set up. I have one interview lined up right now. I'm gonna take that interview and I'm gonna eat something because I'm hungry as well. Now I'm gonna take the interview. I'll see you guys later. I took the interview, it went well. So you guys already know I don't lie, but I've got very limited cooking skills. And these are like the wraps. These are basically chapatis, but you can also get like tortilla wraps. I get these ones because they're whole wheat. And they're like £1.70 for 8 chapatis, so I just get them. Got some filling here, which, well, I made yesterday. So I'm just gonna put it in. So here are the scrambled eggs, and I'm gonna just add some pepper and salt into it. Or I guess we could still use it, right? I think. The fire alarm went off! Oh my god, this is chaotic! Guys, the fire alarm went off! Oh my god! Thankfully, the staff came in and asked me. And I was like, yeah, it's fine. Oh god, that was so embarrassing! Anyways, this is the food. I already ate the burnt one. This is like the semi-burnt one. It's still burnt. Let's taste it at least. The filling is good. I did not do anything apart from embarrassing myself. So I've got these activewear clothes from Belief and let's try them out just to see how they look. This is the first product. And these are basically activewear shorts and they're very stretchy and very comfortable. And I ordered this in size extra small. This is made of spandex, nylon, polyester, and this is what it looks like. It's in black color. To go along with those shorts, I got this top. So at the back, it's something like this. And it's also black in color, extra small size again. And the best part is that it is padded, so that will provide you full support. This is what it looks like. So this top is similar to the one that I had, but very pretty. Size is extra small again, and it just fits perfectly again. It's padded, so that will provide you the full support that you need. So these are the other shorts that I got for activewear. Now this is slightly different to that one. It might look the same, it's black in color, but it's slightly shorter. Again, slightly different. I like the style. So to go along with those, I got these leggings. I'll be wearing them while I'm working out. Like right now, I'll go to the gym. This is what it looks like. And again, very stretchy fabric, good quality. And lastly, we've got this skirt from Belief as well. So it's basically like a tennis skirt and it has shorts attached to it that like you can exercise while wearing it. So it's great activewear. Again, it fits me really well and I really like it. And all the items that I mentioned will be in the description. I got them from Amazon, so you can go and check them out through the links provided in the description box. And yeah, let's go to the gym now, trying these clothes on. So I'm in the yoga room right now. This is the outfit. And now that I've worked out, I can approve it. Like, these pockets here, I can slide in my phone. And here I've got my key card. Right there. It's my key card, it's right. Perfect outfit.
A few moments later.
So now I'm gonna work on my dissertation because I am so behind. I think now I'm gonna take a little bit of a break because I've written something. So since it was time for the British Grand Prix, the IWC also had a pop-up at Malaysia Square in Battersea Power Station. So I went there and I saw Lewis Hamilton's 2018 championship winning car. It was surreal because this was the first time I actually saw a Formula 1 car. And alongside the 2018 Silver Arrows car, there was also the race suit from 2021 and the British Grand Prix trophy from 2020, along with the 2020 replica helmet of Sir Lewis Hamilton and this entire wall of history of Lewis Hamilton and all his major victories. So this was truly fantastic to see. currently at the IWC pop-up at Malaysia Square in Paris Power Station. And this Lewis Hamilton car. Pretty good. Just behind. And these are the suits. Also, did you know that Lewis Hamilton is the only driver that picked the number 44? Even after winning his championship, most drivers just change it to number 1, which indicates that that driver is the current champion, but Lewis Hamilton kept it as 44, so that is something which I really like. After the pop-up, I went to Zara because my sister wanted to shop for some outfits because we're going to a trip next week. So guys, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. I just watched the Euros and Portugal unfortunately lost. Just really sad, but that is it for this video. I really hope you all like it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And I'm also traveling to Italy, so you're gonna be watching way more travel vlogs. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.